Okay, so this is just going to be a simple squirrel tail. Nothing extra, no highlight, no nothing. But we are going to be using red thread, of course, as usual. All right. Now that is definitely too long, but I'm gonna cut it so hopefully it comes out just outside of the squirrel tail. I'm gonna get more hair on this one. Um, let's trim this up. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get a couple of loose wraps. Now let me try to work that around. Oops. Well, look at there. See, that's aggravating when that happens. And what happened was it jumped off the end of that collar. And that's what's aggravating when I'm leaving these collars on. Hold it a little tighter. Yeah, there we go. We got it all the way around. All right. Got to watch top camera. I'm almost out of card space. And we know that I like to do that a lot. Run out of memory space on the card. Now that head's a little bit ugly, but okay. Okay. So it's pretty sparse. Uh, Not bad. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna let that dry, and nothing special. Just a squirrel tail fur. It's sticking out about I would say a quarter, no, about a half inch past the end of the hook, and then the red thread is up in that portion. Um, and simple. No. Uh, I don't know. Whatever this stuff's called. The highlight. No highlight. No nothing. Um, no holographic film. Just a simple jig. This right here is supposed to be a pretty good one. I haven't used it. I don't get a chance to fish a whole lot. I make these for other people, let them try them out, and if they like them, great. If not, then we come up with something else. So anyway, as usual, if you like this kind of content, I would ask that you would like and subscribe. If you don't, I would ask that you would subscribe anyway, because even if you don't like this, there's going to be something you do like, because I do a little bit of everything. So I will see you next time.
Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.